Hello, Smart Stars! Welcome to SnowQuizzes, the playground for quick minds and sharp wits. Now, tell me, do you really think you are as smart as you say you are? It's time to prove it. Today's math challenge will test your speed, focus, and problem solving. Only the sharpest minds make it to the final level. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and brain workouts. Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's solve this in 2 steps. Step 1, start with the brackets. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Step 2, now multiply. 4 times 8 equals 32. Now that you understand it, let's solve more quiz questions. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Add the numbers in the brackets first. 18 is the correct answer. Well done! 5 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Take your time. Think carefully. 20 is the correct answer. Good job! 2 multiplied by 6 plus 3. Try to solve this. The correct answer is 18. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 2. Take your time. You're doing amazing. 28 is the correct answer. Well done! 6 multiplied by 2 plus 3. You can solve it. 30 is the correct answer. Nice work. 3 multiplied by 7 plus 1. Take your time. Think carefully. 24 is the correct answer. Good job. 2 multiplied by 8 plus 2. Don't lose focus. You've got this. The correct answer is 20. Good job! 5 multiplied by 4 plus 3. You can solve it. The correct answer is 35. Amazing! 4 multiplied by 6 plus 1. Try to solve this. You can do it. "28 is the correct answer. Amazing job. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4. Think carefully. 27 is the correct answer. Amazing job. Don't lose focus. You're doing amazing. 6 multiplied by 3 plus 2. The correct answer is 30. Well done. 2 multiplied by 9 plus 1. Take your time. Think carefully. The correct answer is 20. Good job. 5 multiplied by 6 plus 2. Try to solve this. You're doing amazing.
40 is the correct answer. You're doing amazing. 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1. Take your time. Think carefully. 27 is the correct answer. Amazing. 4 multiplied by 7 plus 2. You can solve it. 36 is the correct answer. Nice effort. Don't lose focus. You're doing amazing. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5. The correct answer is 20. Well done. 6 multiplied by 4 plus 1. You can solve it. 30 is the correct answer. Amazing. 3 multiplied by 9 plus 1. Think carefully. 30 is the correct answer. Great work. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6. You can solve this. 40 is the correct answer. Great work. This is the last question. You can solve this. 4 multiplied by 3 plus 5. 32 is the correct answer. So how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comment section.